Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very cool, awesome, endless fidget toy. So let's get started. For this, all you need is some 8.5 by 11 paper. I'm using yellow paper for my fidget toy to pop, but you can use any color. Next, you need a ruler to measure your paper out. Next is a pair of scissors to cut your paper. And lastly is some tape to tape everything together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure out our paper and we're going to cut out 4 1 by 11 inches strips of paper. So I'm just going to start doing that now. I'm going to draw a line connecting these two sides. I've drawn all my lines and I'm just going to cut the strips out now. Try to cut as precisely as you can. I've got all my paper here now, and for this step we're only going to need 2 papers, so we can put the other 2 at the side for now. Now that we've got our 2 strips, what we're going to do is we're going to tape one of them on top of the other just like this. So it should look like this now, and to tape it together we're just going to use some tape and roll the tape up. So I roll the tape up and it should look like this. We're going to put the tape down in the center at the very end of our paper, and we're going to put the other paper right on top of it and try to line it up very nicely. Push down and then it should look like this. So now we're going to be folding our pieces over and over again just like this. But to figure out which one is getting folded first, we're going to look at it and see which one's on the bottom, which is on the top. So at this one, you can see this paper is under it and the other one is on top. So we're going to fold the one that's under first, and then we're going to fold the one that's over, the other one, and we're going to keep repeating this over and over again. So now that we've almost finished this paper, we're going to tape on the other 2 papers which we've left on the side. So I brought the other papers, and what we're going to do now is we're going to tape them like I said. So this is pretty easy to do. Just take a piece of tape, add it to the side of your paper, and then just tape it on. So I'm just going to take some more tape and tape on the other piece. Now you're just going to keep folding your paper and just keep folding it until the end. So now that we've finished folding it up, we're just going to cut off the excess pieces since we're going to try to make it nice since we're finishing it up. Now that we've finished cutting it up, we're just going to tape down the flaps And before we do that, just stretch it out and make sure it's nice. And we tape it just like that. And we're almost there. We just have to do one last step. Now we're going to take both of the ends and tape them together just like that. And for this one, you can roll the tape into a ball just like before. You can put the tape on one side just like that and put the other side on the flap and just press it together like this. And once you're done doing that, you want to push it together by putting your fingers in the flaps just so everything is nicely stuck together. And now, after very little work, you have your Endless Fidget Toy, which is very fun to play with. That's the end of my video, and thank you so much for watching this. It really helps. Bye for now!